Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best mesh office chairs that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Best Office Ergonomic Office Chair. This chair is designed with a 100% ventilated mesh backrest that promotes airflow to keep you cool during long work sessions. It features a curved mid-back design and built-in lumbar support to reduce fatigue, while the high-density sponge cushion ensures all-day comfort. The build quality of the Best Office Chair is solid for its price point. It meets BIFMA standards, which means it's made with durable materials capable of supporting up to 250 pounds. The chair has adjustable seat height and a smooth swivel base, making it adaptable for a range of desk setups. However, it lacks certain advanced features like adjustable armrests and a reclining backrest, which may be a downside for those looking for more customization. In terms of value, this chair is ideal for those on a budget who need a simple, no-frills office chair for light to moderate use. Its quick assembly process, taking only 10 to 15 minutes, is an added bonus. While it doesn't offer the advanced ergonomics of higher-end models, it's a reliable option for home offices or casual workspaces. Pros include its affordability, breathable mesh, and sturdy build. Cons are the lack of reclining functionality and limited adjustability. Coming in at number 4 is the Sonorla Ergonomic Desk Chair. This chair is purpose-built for ergonomic support, featuring a backrest designed to fit the natural curve of the spine. It provides support for key areas like the head, back, and hips, making it a great choice for users who spend long hours sitting. The padded flip-up armrests are a standout feature, allowing you to easily tuck the chair under your desk when not in use, saving valuable space. The build quality here is impressive, with a maximum weight capacity of 330 pounds and a robust frame. The breathable mesh back and fabric padded seat combine to offer long-lasting comfort and ventilation. It also features a tilting backrest that goes up to 135 degrees, though it does not lock in a reclined position. Assembly is straightforward, and the chair comes with all the tools and instructions needed for a quick setup. This chair is perfect for those who value ergonomic support on a budget. It's suitable for home offices, student study spaces, and even gaming setups. The pros include its high weight capacity, space-saving design, and solid lumbar support. On the downside, the lack of a lockable recline and slightly firm seat cushion may be drawbacks for some users. At number 3, we have the Felix King Ergonomic Office Chair. This chair is designed with 5 key support points: head, shoulders, back, hips, and hands, ensuring proper posture and reducing strain during long work hours. The adjustable lumbar support and tilt functionality allow you to customize the chair to your preferences, making it a versatile choice for a variety of users. The chair's breathable mesh fabric keeps you cool throughout the day, while the high-density foam cushion provides a comfortable sitting experience. It also features flip-up armrests, which are great for saving space when the chair is not in use. The PU casters roll smoothly and quietly, and the chair's sturdy design supports up to 300 pounds, making it a reliable option for most users. This chair offers great value for professionals who need a comfortable and ergonomic solution for their office or home workspace. It's easy to assemble and comes with a 1-year warranty for added peace of mind. The pros include its ergonomic design, breathable materials, and space-saving armrests. However, its reclining positions are limited, and the seat cushion may be too firm for some users. In second place is the Capit Ergonomic Mesh Office Chair. This chair is built for heavy-duty use, with a maximum weight capacity of 400 pounds and a robust stainless steel base. Its standout feature is the lumbar micro-adjustment system, which offers 2 inches of adjustable support across 8 levels, ensuring precise alignment with your lower back. This reduces fatigue and promotes better posture. The Capit chair also features a larger seat made from Aravith mesh, which enhances comfort and keeps you cool during long sessions. The 4D flip-up armrests and adjustable headrest provide additional customization, while the backrest reclines to 3 positions: 90, 110 and 125 degrees to suit your work or relaxation needs. Assembly is simple, and the chair includes a 5-year warranty with free part replacements, making it a worry-free investment. This chair is ideal for users who prioritize durability and advanced lumbar support. It's perfect for long workdays, study sessions, or even gaming. Pros include its high weight capacity, tailored lumbar support, and premium build quality. The cons are its heavier weight and slightly higher price point, which may not suit those seeking a budget option. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Marseille Ergonomic Mesh Office Chair. Designed with an S-shaped backrest, this chair provides excellent ergonomic support by aligning with the natural curve of your spine. The height-adjustable lumbar support and cushioned, butterfly-shaped lumbar pad ensure personalized comfort for your lower back, making it an excellent choice for prolonged sitting sessions. The Marseille chair features a breathable mesh material that promotes airflow and adapts to your body, offering superior comfort and elasticity. The chair also boasts multiple adjustment options, including an 8-level height-adjustable headrest, up and down armrests, and a seat height range of 18.8 to 22.1 inches. With a recline range of 90 to 120 degrees, you can easily switch between focused work and relaxation. Its sturdy build, SGS-certified gas lift, and a 300-pound weight capacity ensure reliability and durability. Priced at $149.99, this chair offers premium features at a competitive price. It's perfect for professionals, gamers, or anyone who spends long hours at their desk. The pros include its customizable ergonomic design, breathable materials, and excellent build quality. The only con is that it may not recline as far back as some other chairs, but this is a minor trade-off for its overall performance and value. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.